welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for joining me in today's video. So as you guys can tell by the title, today I'm going to be testing out the Benefit Bad Girl Bang Mascara. Now I bought the Bad Girl Bang Mini. This retails for about 175 Rand at Red Square stores. So yeah, I mean, everybody has been ranting and raving about this mascara, and a few of you guys asked me if I'm going to review this on my channel, so I figured, why not? I reviewed the Benefit Roller Lash, and let's get into this. So it basically says that it is a 36-hour full blast volume mascara. Oh my goodness. So it says big volume with 360-degree reach, streamlined to easily reach rooted tip, corner to corner, upper and lower lashes. Wow, okay. And then there's also a gravity defying formula, and apparently it has like aero particles in this formula, which is insane, and it gives you massive volume without weighing down your lashes, and also layers easily for bigger and bigger impact, which is very interesting, you guys. Like, I mean, can we talk about all the claims this mascara is making right now? I know when I bought this, like, the lady at the cashier was like, don't you want to get a full size though? Like, you will fall in love with this mascara. And I'm like, but you work here, I'm pretty sure you're supposed to say that. But I was like, well, I'm trying it out for the first time, so I'd rather just go with a mini size. And she's like, well, you should have gone with a full size. Like, you're gonna think to yourself, ah, I should have gone with a full size. But anyway, let's get into this and see how it goes. So this is the packaging, as you guys can see. I have the mini size, so obviously it's a smaller version of the Bad Girl Bang full size. And taking out the wand, it's like a very, oh, it's very flexible. Can you guys see that? Like, it's super flexible, and it's kind of like a cone, so it kind of like tapers towards the end. Now, just for comparison purposes, I want to compare these ones to the Roller Lash and the They're Real mini sizes. So the first one here is the Bad Girl Bang Mascara wand. This one right here is the They're Real mascara wand, and this baby right here is the Roller Lash mascara. So you guys can see I have no mascara on my lids right now, and I'm gonna go in and just coat my right eye with this Bad Girl Bang mascara. Okay, right off the bat, I am gonna say it is really easy to get right at the inner corners in terms of coating my lashes with mascara. And I will say, I think that this mascara has pretty much gotten every single lash on my top lash line. So this is what my lashes look like. This is the Bad Girl Bang, and this is my natural lashes. And so you guys can see better, I'm gonna go ahead and coat my bottom lashes as well, because I am wearing eyeliner, so it may be a bit tricky to see on the top. So this is what my eyelashes look like. I will say, like, even though you guys can't see very well in the top lash line, like, the bottom lash line looks amazing. Like, this is probably the most elongated my lower lashes have ever looked, and I'm kind of living for it, you guys. So in terms of my final thoughts on this mascara, I have to say that if I had to rank the Roller Lash, the They're Real mascara, and the Bad Girl Bang, I would probably be like Bad Girl Bang, They're Real, and then Roller Lash. I mean, the Bad Girl Bang just looks so amazing. Like, I honestly feel like I don't even have to go in with lashes right now. It just makes my lashes look really nice. I mean, even though I'm a false lash addict, I just feel like this mascara is really nice. I mean, it gives your lashes, it definitely gives your lashes volume. I feel like I didn't even have to go in and curl my lashes for it to have that curl kind of effect. And I mean, let's just be honest, this is very expensive for mascara, and that's why I'm always conflicted. Like, would I repurchase the full size? Would I repurchase a mini? Probably. Full size, probably not, because it ranges to like 300 and something rand. But I really do like this mascara. I think it's a really decent mascara, especially for those of you out there who do generally have long lashes. Like, this will just make your lashes amazing, like absolutely amazing. So that is pretty much it for this review of the Benefit Bad Girl Bang Mascara. If you guys have tried it, comment down below, let me know. We all look for different things in a mascara, and I look for volume and kind of lengthening, and that's pretty much what I got from this. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to comment down below and let me know if you've tried it. I love you guys so much. I'm losing my train of thought. Don't forget to slay all day every day with and without makeup, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye!